Man, this time we are back at the shop with the same bullshit. But you know, you shouldn't really talk about the problems you have because it makes them bigger. This time we're gonna be removing two because this one decided to give, I think, no, the other side decided to give up this one over here. So I filled it with pressure when I was on the road. I stopped at the petrol station, filled it with air, but then it went back to zero in like seconds. So I had to go from station to station until I came here at Michelin Jackson Tires. Yeah. At the end of the day, I don't really have a choice but to remove them and change them. We need to get the hubcap sorted over here. This hubcap piece flew off when I was on the road. This is what's supposed to be there. This is for the rear rim. But yeah, that piece decided to fly off when I was driving it. Literally, I wasn't even driving that fast, but things, it just decided to jump out of the car. Look at her, just on the jack, both jacks. Really? Came to Dubai and this happened, and I kept seeing the tire pressure message. I went to fill it, filled it, and then the tire pressure started going like 2 psi every 3 minutes. So imagine, I went from 40, I think, as far as I remember, in the back, 40 psi to 0. Imagine. So it took less than 20 minutes. But yeah, it's unfortunate that this happens, but at the end of the day, as long as you have the fixed heat around, let's see where the guy went. For now, we'll just replace the rear too. We found Continental tires, but honestly, I feel like we should replace it. We can just put the two Continentals in the back. Yeah. This is the other one that we're gonna place on the car, and maybe in the future I'll put the same Goodyears in the front. But yeah, let's see what we're able to do. Lane's too much. I think this one will put in the trunk, but it fits in the back. Let me see if I even have space in the back to. Ah, fuck, bro. Literally don't barely have any space in the back to put Tyre. Have all of the filming equipment over here. But maybe we can manage to put it here. عن امك. Bro, that made me move, bro. So we're gonna put the older ones in the trunk, and then we're gonna put the new ones obviously on the case. Anything happens later.
حبيبي في بالون ايوه
في
ايش ماكسس
ماكسس.
ما في ابو جمل
لا
ديرو
بعد في الحين ما في داخل ستور فيه ماشي بحسب.
كم الماكسس
ماكسس 2000 درهم.
واحد
لا
طقم
4.
निशान का मोनो मिलिए
लोगो
टायर का कप कप आता है टायर का कप आता है ना मोनो नहीं होता आगे का
वो वाला नहीं.
هوا كم ركبت؟ 35. لا والله وراي خلني اشوف بس. The boys are here following me everywhere, even with a flat tire. My ear went into ring mode. You know when it goes ding.
Yeah, because I hear. You drop it off. Yeah, we moved on. Yeah. Yeah.
Moved on. Sure. Would you break up? Fucking. Look at what they have in the shop, by the way. They're in shop.
Bro, this color is nice.
Think we should have put this one. These are copy ones, by the way. The
I
guy
can
said.
feel it, by the way, from the compound
Yeah.
and the density. It's Taiwani. Easy. Easy to tell.
Even have castor oil. Nissan, Lexus motor
Look, they
oil,
have-
Toyota motor
Look,
oil.
look, they have made in Italy. Look the made in Italy. And on the side, we'll show you this.
They have spacers, by the way.
You should put on your car.
Should I?
Yeah, but not this thickness, like something like that. The thin one. Ask them how much they would. But this one is not thickness, by the way. This two.
بص before you put the قبل ما تركب هذا السبيسر بكم؟
600.
600. He's saying 600.
For spacers?
Yeah. هالنحيف كم؟
عشان هذا
سبيسر النحيف في هناك.
صغير.
ايه صغير
The
كم؟
small one.
هذا نفس الشيء.
كيف
The thick-
600
thin one.
مستحيل 600 يا اخي.
لا
Yeah, their prices here is خلاص ما يريد شكرا.
How's the other guy?
By the way, where can we go to? Can we go to
Yeah,
Days
this
Garage to?
one, 600?
Can we go to Days Garage to put the auto readers?
Yeah, of course, yeah.
I have them in the car.
Now you mean? But what's the time, by the way? They close at 10. The technician leaves usually at 6 or 7. Before 8 is out.
Ling ling. You guys ate?
Hot pot we had. We were waiting on you, by the way. But the
Ah,
thing
yeah.
is, when you were in the restaurant, we were just receiving the order. You called, you're like, you have a defect tire. So we're like, okay. Well, when did you get that?
Look at this one.
Before they left, they had no problem. Ah.
Look at this design.
By the way, the Asian guy came over and he was bringing chocolate milk with 2 bottles with him. He was drinking that. Strawberry.
The metal pieces they put inside the rim is so you don't get vibrations on the road when you're rolling on the road. It's actually interesting, honestly.
You have a very good accordion. Poor thing, man.
Poor fish.
Just stuck there.
Yeah, honestly. So long. Imagine just being here like a tire shop.
That's so sad.
That is very sad.
At least like put fucking another one there. Let it mate. Ling ling ting to.
Or imagine this is a tire shop.
I called safe, by the way.
What did he say?
No answer.
The way you announced it, you know, like you have
Like,
something
news.
and, I got news for you boys.
No.
No, I got the news that it's no news.
Oh man.
Kilo, bro. This brand looks like the Chinese Pirelli Kilo. You see that
Yeah.
with the yellow?
Because when you see Pirellis now, you know it's a Pirelli, you know it's a brand. So you make something that looks similar to the logo. So they're gonna be like, oh, it's Pirelli? Oh no, wait, what is Pilo? Okay, let's find
No,
out.
it's like catchy, you know, like
Exactly.
you wanna buy it because
That's
of
exactly
the color
what I said.
combination, not even with the brands.
It's not- That's exactly what I said. I don't know, some people don't listen, but yeah. Don't fucking touch me. Why did they put this on the tires? Let's see if you're Mr. Expert.
For the heat from
No.
the sunshine.
It's just plastic wrap. Fucking.
Because tires, they tend to dry out much. Should we give water? It's too
You
cold.
gave fish water.
Yeah.
Wow.
Fresh water.
Fresh water.
It seems very dirty, man.
Yeah, very dirty.
Let's take these spacers over there.
Should we give the fish some water?
Look at the spacers over there.
Well,
Look at what I'm doing.
bro, that's like too much.
Fish will be like, it's so cold.
Every time, what's it called? You take off a tire, you have to re-put them and do alignment, because then it won't be aligned. He actually did it. It does me though.
Tell me what's up.
So every time you remove a tire, you have to put these the what do you call them? These pieces that you put inside the rim for the alignment. You have to
The
take
weight.
them off. And you
No,
have to-
the weight is always like not. It's always not even. By the way.
كم هذا tank.
He's asking how much did we get the tires for?
350.
350 هذا.
هذا شو China?
Continental.
Continental. Good price.
Yeah. Although this was made to pay the tax. Yeah, like half the tax. That's the other, just get new tires instead of replacing it later. More money, just buy it.
Oh, no, dude. Ready to fly with that Pizza Hut order, man.
Damn. Who is this guy? Spacers on the back or on the front? Where would you put?
The back, bro.
Because the back is already coming out, but the front is still sitting in. See what I'm saying? But the thing is, back is
You want
always
the
best.
front to be wide?
Because
No.
the front, you see, it's inside the
It has
body,
to.
and the back is already outside of the body. But if you put the front a bit also lining with the front, the thing is, then the back also needs to be changed. Not just
Yeah.
the front. Yeah, you can't change it only the front or the back.
Forget
Actually, only
spacing.
only the back would be nicer. Actually, you can stick it out a bit more. Yeah.
The other side is
On Montana already the whole car changed. Half the car has been replaced. Very nice.
Very nice.
Great success.
Now we can't open the roof.
But don't bring the fourth tire with you. Keep it in.
Why?
No use of it. There's no space for it. Fourth at once. Whoever wants.
So I'll keep the tires here.
No, only the fat one. Let them go.
Yeah.
Yeah. But you don't want the other one that's one.
No, the other one, yeah.
Yeah.
But can we put it in edge on top? Edge on top. I'll open the roof, but I can't open it because there's tire.
You can put in my car.
The other way. That, yeah, that way. Yes, yes. Or
لا
stronger,
عكس
stronger.
عكس عكس.
Stronger. Like when it stops, then it needs to be.
Can you open the boot? I want to get that piece out.
But tell him to. No, it's not like. Yeah, keep it. No, no.
شوف سوي يمين يمين.
Honest.
لا
Just screw on it, and that's it. When it stops, just make it harder. That will go up.
يمين. Ah.
Okay.
But you see, it gets stuck. This middle piece.
Let me just do it. It's fine.
خلاص خلاص.
Okay.
يا اخي بروفيشنال يا اخي انت
Yeah.
شو انت. لا لا بروفيشنال يا.
Do it, bitch.